Hey everybody, it's Jared, and I have some tips on how to make exercise. 6 ways to make exercise a daily habit. I'm gonna be reading down at my notes, so bear with me. Set a time. Decide a time and stick with it. If you don't set a time, you're more likely going to put it off until you have more time or energy, and then putting it off the next day, and soon it will not be a habit. Setting a time is very, very important, that you every day be like either in the morning or at lunchtime or in the evening, setting some kind of time and sticking with it. You can even set reminders on your phone that beep, 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 time to work out, or even just make a note somewhere that, okay, this is going to be my time to work out, so you do work out. And just doing it is a major first step. Start small, 15 to 20 minutes of easy exercise. Take breaks even during routine. You want to start slow and easy. Too much right away and too fast will lead to burnout, and then you won't want to exercise at all, therefore not forming the habit. So basically, have fun when you're working out. Maybe start out with 10 minutes of walking, or 5 minutes of dancing or something. And at least you did something, and then work the next day towards maybe adding a few minutes to it or whatnot, and then until you are up to par of what you want to do. But just keep at it, and it will eventually become a habit. Make it pleasurable. If you associate a habit with pain, you will shy away from it. But if it's fun, you'll look forward to doing it. That's why in this beginning stage of my new habit, I've been focusing on pleasure, and I go slow. Play great music, like music that motivates you while you work out. Have fun. Make it feel not like a chore. So yeah, jam up your favorite tunes and do it like that. And if you work out at home like me, with the programs and stuff, they have Spotify playlists that you can check out while you're working out and stuff too. So make your music and just get after it. Reward yourself. Give yourself something in return for the time spent working out. So this is a good idea. Every time you work out, reward yourself. Like, get a jar and put, you can put $1 in, you can put a quarter in or whatever for every workout you do. And save that money to buy yourself a new piece of clothing at the end, because you're going to be losing weight. Or you're going to be toning up, and you're just going to need to get something. Reward yourself with something good for the hard work you put in every day. So and then another good way to get your workout is make a checklist of what you need for your workout. So you set the time. Okay, I'm going to work out in the morning. Have your clothes around. Have your phone charged for music so it doesn't stop. Put it on airplane mode so you're not taking any text or calls to interrupt your workout. Be prepared will help you accomplish your workout, and it will make it easier for you to make it a goal. Number 6, stop comparing yourself to others. It's great to have competition spirit and enjoy competing with others, but what you don't want to do is start comparing yourself to others. Everyone is different, and everybody achieves different things in life at different paces. Plus, some people are natural in certain areas. Do your best and compete against yourself. instead by trying to do just one more rep or attempting to smash your personal best record. So these are six ways that I hope you can benefit from making working out a habit. It is really important that you stay strong, and if you have kids like me, you want to be around for them, and quality of life. You know, I'm 37 years old and I feel pretty darn good. You know, I feel young, like I don't, you know, no aches and pains or anything, and I just love it. So anyways, also I have a accountability group that I am doing right now. It's an ongoing accountability group, and if you are interested in joining it, please comment below, and I would love to add you in there. We're doing working out and just posting about our journeys and just learning a lot from each other, and I'm posting tips in there each day. And so if you're interested, I know the holidays coming up. Let's keep each other accountable so that things don't get out of control and that we just have to start from scratch again, you know. Make better choices every day. So I will talk to you later. Bye.